Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'll explain Arcade Pi Stars all query regarding this. And so stay tuned and don't skip this video. In Arcade price counter, you can see Arcade had already drops all level swags, and you can see they are not showing no more swags coming. Still like something text. It means in this season, this is the last swags, and no swags will come. And now, how can you claim these swags? Understand that first. What is arcade milestone? Arcade milestone means in arcade milestone you can earn arcade points. And what is arcade points? Through arcade points you can claim uh, is in your required levels milestone swags you can redeem. There are four levels already. I show these. There are four levels. First is standard level, second is advanced, third one is premium, and fourth one is premium plus. In standard milestone, you have to reach 10 arcade points, 10 arcade points to unlock this milestone. And in if you have 10 arcade points, you can redeem this swag. In this milestone, you will get Google Cloud charging kit and a Pods t-shirt. Okay, Sears t-shirt. And next one is advanced milestone. And in advanced milestone, you have 25 arcade points, and you can redeem this Dex Collective and Google Astronaut T-shirt in this level. And also will get many more. This pen also you will get pen and a backpack also in this advanced milestone. Now, next one is premium milestone. Premium milestone you have to reach 40 arcade points. And if you have 40 arcade points, then you can claim this milestone easily. You can claim this study lamp in this level, and also you will get a robot t-shirt and other swags. You can see this lamp, bag, and a backpack, t-shirt, and a flags and pen, many more swags. And last one is premium plus milestone. In premium plus milestone you have to collect minimum 60 arcade points, 60 arcade points to unlock this milestone. And if you have 60 milestone, you can easily redeem this milestone swags. You will get Google Cloud Mob Warmer, Google Cloud Wise T-shirt, and Google Cloud Collapse water bottle, and other swags. There are other swags. You can see a dex cleaner also you will get, and a backpack which have charging system and many more facility in this backpack. You will go through this. And this is Mob Warmer, and a flexible and a t-shirt also, and a color kit and a pen. And now question is, how can you earn this if you have it? Because it will I suppose in this month or next month the price counter will open, because all swaps are revealed. So if you don't have started yet, you can easily start all of this level. Each level you will get one arcade points. And there is also you can earn this level certification zone one arcade point. Then in third level you will one arcade point means two. And in this level 1, level 2, 1 means total you get 4 arcade points. Then in trivia you will get 4 arcade points participating in this, completing these 4 week labs. Means total you get 4 plus 4 8. And one arcade point will you added in while price counter will open. They will provide one arcade point extra, means you can earn 9. And one you can, if you solve these skill batches, you will get one arcade point, uh, together two skill batch. If you earn two skill batch means they all same as, if you have two skill batch you can earn one arcade point. Two skill batch equals to one arcade point. Okay, you can easily earn 10 points easily. So don't delay, start from today. Now question is, how many swags you can redeem? You can redeem one milestone at a time. They already mentioned clearly. And you will be able to redeem swags only from the milestone you are currently in, or not from lower or higher milestone. Okay, and there are no splitting points, means you can split points. Suppose you have a 50 points. Okay, 50 points. And if you want 40 points to premium swags, you have to redeem this. And also 10 points this standard. You can't split this arcade points into different milestone. You can only claim only one milestone particularly. Okay, they already clearly mentioned. And next, third one, multiple swags guaranteed, and they also give you multiple swags in every level, you can see. And points are expansion, and this is interesting point that after opening price counter, after arcade price counter, and all our arcade points will expire. Okay, so use all of these arcade point. Today's video is for that. If you have any query, please comment us. Still and Tara, bye bye.